Hey crafty friends, Jamie here with Not Too Shabby, and I'm so excited because today is release day. We've got a brand new paper pad that I think you're going to absolutely love, and we've also restocked some of your all-time favorites. Let's start with the newest edition. This is Meow-O-Ween. This 6x6 pad is packed with 12 unique designs in adorable whimsical Halloween style, not too spooky. So we've got a cutesy Halloween paper pad here. We've got black cats, pumpkins, sweet treats, and a splash of magic in every sheet. And here's my favorite part. 4 of those sheets are cut aparts. So you get 4. I've used 1 already. And I have them cut out to the side here. On the back, there's this cute pattern. So if you didn't want to use the cutouts, you could always use the back. But I love cutting these apart and using them as focal points on your cards. This pad is perfect for cards, tags, treat holders, you name it. So cute. So really love the color scheme, purple, orange, gray, and black. You get a nice variety of prints here. So cute. And so I'm going to create 3 cards using this pack today. But before I get into the cards, those of you who've been asking, we brought back some of your favorite paper pads that have been sold out. If you missed them the first time around, now's your chance to grab them. These are perfect for building your stash or mixing with your other paper pads. So we've got Happy Donuts, French Toile, Pumpkin Spice Season, Cowgirl Up, Rejoice, this one has images on the inside, Sunflower Fields, and Pumpkin Spice. A lot of these you can pick up coordinating ephemera. The Happy Donuts has 4 sheets of sentiments, which is really cute. This might be new to some of you. This was a promotional paper pad. I think this was from last year or 2 years ago. Boy, the years are just flying by. But this one is really cute with these donuts, the colors. And then I'll show you the sentiments. Nice glitter. There's donuts in here and sentiments, that's right. So you can cut these out. There's a solid on the back. And then, so there's 4 sheets of the images and 4 sheets of the sentiments. And the sentiments read, "Let's eat donuts. All you need is love and donuts. I love donuts. Donuts are kinda my thing. I love you more than donuts. All you need is love and donuts. And I'm just a girl who loves donuts and doing this all for the donuts." I'm going to use the Easy Wonder Die number 3 and the add-on, so I have those out. I'm going to pick out a sheet for my grid. I think I want to do this orange. So all I'm going to do is add a little washi tape to keep this in place. This die is designed to smash your 6x6 paper pads. It's just shy of 6x6. I cut out some mirror cardstock in this gold with little stars on it with the add-on die. And now I'm going to stamp out Happy Halloween from the Ghostly Greetings stamp set. Actually, I'm going to use the word boo. Let's go ahead and put some of these layers together. to put my postage grid on an angle. I like the pattern to show more, so a little tip is to put your grid on an angle. You can see the pattern better. Okay, so I have my layers here. Forgot to pop out a circle.
Grab your glue, it's that time of year. Pumpkin vibes and crafty cheer. Paper pads with foxes and
So I flipped over the square that was cut to use the other side.
hedgehogs, mugs and leaves, cocoa cups and cozy sleeves. Fall in love with every pack. You wanna craft and never look back. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Sweater weather makes me happy. Cut and layer, stamp and play. Let those autumn cards brighten your day. So much joy in every piece. Crafty bliss that just won't cease.
Rustic colors, gold and spice, crisp designs that look so nice. Die-cut pumpkins, woodland flair. We've got new goodies everywhere.
Add some twine and a belly band. That fall box fits right in your hand. Make a gatefold card or treat with paper this cute you can't be beat. It feels like fall and not too shabby. Pumpkin spice and crafting savvy.
Squirrel hugs and forest friends. Let your handmade magic never end. Crisp like leaves and sweet like pie.
Our fall release will make you sigh. So grab your stash and let's begin. For craft and joy from outside.
So for my other two cards, I thought I'd use the witch hat, the haunted house, and the potion. And then the other card, the spooky Halloween clipboard with the latte cup and the backpack. So I'm leaving those as a group. I love how this one turned out. I love putting like a glossy accents or a Nouveau crystal glaze on glasses. So I'm going to put that right there on this kitty's glasses. I think that's going to look super cute. So when you put glossy accents on, you're going to want to outline first where you want your glossy accents to be. So I'm going to do a circle first, and then I'm going to fill in the inside. Okay, so that is going to be super cute. Okay, there is my super cute but not spooky card. We'll let that crystal glaze dry, and let's go ahead and make the second card. For my second card, I'm using the Easy Wonder Die number 2. This die is now in teal. It has been restocked if you want to pick this up if you haven't gotten your Easy Wonder Dies yet. Love this die for all year-round crafting. So let's pick out a pattern for this shape share. I want to add my little images to the center oval. Oh, I think this would be cute with the this pair here. So let's go ahead and do that. From the add-on die, I cut out an oval in white. I'm going to place that behind this piece here, and then we're going to create our cluster. So let's go ahead and glue this up. I think this Halloween card would be super cute for a teenager, maybe going back to school, or just for Halloween. Let's add our oval. So I'm just going to add some glue around the edge here. We're going to use this as our sentiment, Sweet Halloween. And then we'll just add our 3 little images across the page. Let's see, I can do this on an angle so we could see more of that background. Let's see how that looks. Let's go ahead and do that since we did it on the other one. Do I want to do it that way? Okay, so we could pop these images up. Okay, so I'm going to glue my images just on the ends, and then we could turn it around and add our foam tape. This will make it easier for you to lay down everything at once. So okay, then we'll lay our image right across our oval there. I'm going to need to find some matching enamel dots. I'm pretty sure something from the pumpkin spice enamel dots will match. I'll have all the products listed in the description box for you. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the new paper pad. I hope you guys have fun with it. Tag me on Instagram or use the hashtag #NotTooShabbyShop so I could find your projects. Okay, I have a couple of orange left here. Okay, so here's our second card. Here's the 2 cards using the brand new paper pad, Meow-O-Ween. So cute. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye, guys.